Hey everybody, Todd from S&S here. Today we're going to be going over the installation of our SuperStreet 2-in-1 for M8 Softail models. We have a 2018 Fat Bob equipped with mid-mounts, so we'll be able to go over regular Softail installation, plus review our brake pedal that's required for mid-mount applications like Street Bob and Lowrider. Alright, let's get started. Our first step is going to be prepping our header. We've already installed our oxygen sensor adapters, allowing us to run the OEM oxygen sensors, and now we'll install our full coverage chrome heat shields. Secure the heat shields to the header using the supplied hose clamps. You only need to tighten the hose clamps enough to keep the heat shields from rattling. We'll align the heat shields and finish tightening the hose clamps later. We've already installed the O2 sensor adapters, and now we're installing the oxygen sensors, flanges, and circlips on the header. Apply Loctite to the frame bolts before installing the muffler bracket. Install the header by seating the rear cylinder first and then the front cylinder. For now, loosely install the exhaust flange nuts. Make sure you reconnect your oxygen sensors. Here we go, we put the clamp on, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take the heat shield and we're going to get these two fingers to engage these two heat shield guys right there. Slide the muffler forward, then slide the muffler clamp over the muffler inlet. With your muffler in place, you can tighten your muffler mount bolts. Once you have set your heat shield gap, you can tighten the muffler clamp and start tightening heat shields from the back towards the front. Finish up by tightening the header flange nuts. For mid-mount controls, a special brake pedal and spacers are required. Here we start installing the S&S brake pedal. Apply blue Loctite to the retaining bolt. Make sure that you have free brake pedal movement before proceeding. Align and tighten the brake linkage bolt to the brake pedal. Before riding, verify proper brake pedal operation. And that's it for our 2-in-1 SuperStreet installation on 2018 M8 Softail. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and for more product information, please visit sscycle.com.